Hi, I'm Ammie,
And I'm Monica.
and we are here to talk about robotics.
Robotics is a part of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. Robotics come from the word robota, which means drudgery, hard. It was created by Joseph Capek that was first appeared in Rossum's Universal Robots (RUR) in 1921. The first electronic robots are created by William Gray Walter in 1948. Robots are capable of sensing their environment, moving and navigating, planning ahead, or making decisions. Social and ethical issues. Cons. Robots might kill innocent people if they cannot distinguish between enemy and civilian. It might cause less jobs for the doctors and nurses in the near future. It might be harm for the people if it uses wrongfully. Pros. Robots are used for the situations that are dangerous for the people. Robots makes the life of technology much more convenient and easier. Robots can cause less collateral damage than human soldiers. The tiny robots can be used to deliver medicines or performing surgeries on a very small part of a human body.
A team of researchers at MIT and elsewhere have developed a tiny origami robot that can unfold itself from a swallowed capsule to complete specific tasks within the body.
The robot can remove foreign objects, it can patch wounds, or it can deliver medicine at designated locations.
This new ingestible robot builds on the team's previous work on mini origami robots. However, the design of its body is significantly different.
The challenge with designing an ingestible robot is finding biocompatible materials that are easy to be controlled and amenable to the types of operations that are needed from the robot.
To address this challenge, the researchers tested about a dozen different possibilities for the structural material before settling on a type of dried pig intestine used in sausage casings. To demonstrate how the robot works, the researchers folded the structure into a capsule made of ice. The ice capsule travels down the esophagus into the stomach, where the ice melts away and the robot unfolds to its functional form. At this point, the robot can be controlled by an external magnetic field to do work, such as the removal of a foreign object from the body. For example, every year 3,500 swallowed button batteries are reported in the US alone. The tiny batteries are digested normally, but if they come into prolonged contact with the tissue of the esophagus or the stomach, the batteries can burn the tissue and become embedded. Now, using the team's new robot, the battery could be removed without surgery.
Once inside the stomach, the robot could be directed to attach to the battery. It could lift the battery from the stomach coating and then eliminate it through the digestive system. Next, we would like to do in vivo experiments. We would also like to add sensors to the robot and redesign the robot so that it's able to control itself without the need of an external magnetic field.
Robots in the future. They are developing tiny robots that are capable of killing people. Isn't easy, but it's doable. The researchers are developing more capable robots that can exploring other planets and fighting fires at the sea. A robonaut too helps out around the orbiting laboratory, doing simple and sometimes dangerous tasks. The goal of the researchers is to develop a humanoid boat that could help humans explore Mars. The researchers are building a trash chucking robot. It will be tested in July 2016. The researchers are making a tiny robot that can be used for medical purposes. They developed a remote controlled pump disposal robot carrying an explosive device. The US military used drones internationally as remote bombers. Robots are capable of handling or disarming explosive has been a common sight for the police department.
Human jobs that robot can never replace. Teacher, police, people who work at management, lawyers, chef, fishing, arts and media. Robots can never replace most of the human jobs due to the fact that their innovation is yet limited, although their improvement has no limitations. Opinion. In our opinion, robots are good and bad for our society in the near future because it makes the life of human beings much efficient and easier. They also provide the workers an assistant in doing their jobs. Robots can also be used for unsuitable and inappropriate purposes. Furthermore, there's a possibility in the future that they will take over the humanity and the world will be filled with things that lacks empathy.